Hello guys, and be welcome to another inbox review here on the channel. Today we have the brand new Airfix 148 Fairey Gannet AS.1 AS.4. This is the 148 scale Gannet from Airfix and has been a brand new release and long overdue for me to do the inbox review. So without any further ado, let's see what's inside the box. So let's open the box and see what's inside. So inside we have one bag with spools, two bags with spools, three bags with spools, instructions, and plenty of decals. We shall start with the spruce, hopefully. Just trying to organize things. So we need our trusty knife. On this case, my Orly hobby knife. And let's start opening it. The camera is a bit further up today, but it has to be that way because otherwise we can't see what is on here. So we're gonna take the plastics off, because camera doesn't like plastics. And we have the bag with the canopy. We just move these along. Let's check the canopies first, and then we go from there. This is a strange one, because this airplane is so ugly that is beautiful, if it makes sense. So let me know what you think about it. Do you like this airplane? Do you think it's an ugly one? Do you think it's a beautiful one? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see this build, please like and subscribe on to the channel. So opening the clear parts, they look fairly good. There's a seam line here and here and here, but they seem rather good. I don't see nothing major. Oh, there might be something there that shouldn't be there. But yeah, but no major flaw. So yeah, it's good. Clear parts. I was a bit scared, to be honest, because I heard people say that some of their clear parts weren't that great, so I was a bit scared with it. So now let's move to the fuselage. So we have the two halves, the interior, the cockpit. I think this might be like Bombay or something like that. I believe this is firewall, and again the detail is just sublime. It's very good detail. We have recessed rivets, as you guys might be able to see there. This is going to be a fairly big one. There's a bit of flash inside. I don't know if you guys can see, but let me try to find something to point out. So my trusty pencil. Inside there's a little bit of flash, but easy neglectable. We can fix that very easily. And we have the wings. Obviously, these wings I'm not going to use because I'm going to do the Z folded version, which I think is going to be a little bit more challenging, but this is rather impressive wings, almost a palm length. So I look forward to build it. Then bag number 2. Here we go. Knife I've seen better days. Let's carry on. So I believe this will be I could have opened the bags, but I want to go through the experience with you guys, so that you guys could see how the bags are and all. Well, that is sealed on the bags. I haven't picked it at any point. So in here we have the sections of the wings that will become the folded C wing, I believe. You have the tail rotor here as well. So yeah, again, lovely details, recessed rivets. I know, oh, we have a mixture. These ones are recessed, these ones are raised rivets. So not sure why they went with this combination, but yeah, here is raised rivets, this is recessed, this is all recessed rivets as well. So yeah, as you can see, lovely little detail. I know that most of you might say that this is not accurate because the rivets should be raised rivets, but I think it just brings up the detail. You have the interiors here, but yeah, it's no flash, no nothing. So I'm really enjoying it so far. And again, we have more section of the wings, so I believe this will be to the folded ones. I believe this will be the flaps. I might be wrong although, but this will be the flaps and these will be wingtips, or maybe not. We'll see when it comes to the instructions. And again, same as the other one, they are pretty much the same. But again, no flash, no nothing. Cool stuff. So, last bag of sprues. I'm guessing this will be the ordnance and whatnot, and all the bits that go inside the cockpit. So here we go. So yeah, you have the wheels. I believe this will be like landing gear thingy. Yeah, I think this will be hydraulics for the landing gear. There's a lot of stuff here, or might be for the Z-wing to fold it. So lots and lots of small parts. This will be a landing gear thingy. Yeah, looks really good. So I'm assuming these parts here, like this one, these ones here, will be for the folded wing, which makes sense to be honest. So let's move to the next one. So on this one we have, I believe this will be the radial for the engine. I might be wrong. Yeah. Well, I might be wrong. This might not be the engine. We'll see when it comes to that. I might be talking absolutely rubbish as per usual, but I think we have loads of ordnance here. Yeah, you have all the bombs and whatnot. So yeah, looking good. And here we have the propellers with their unique design of two propellers. And the cool thing that I just noticed is that this one is square. So if I come close with the camera, this one is square, this one is round. So I'm assuming that to fit properly on the position that they should be. The hook for the landing, if they fail the aircraft, not the aircraft, the aircraft carrier. Another landing gear flag, I believe. And we have, surprise yourselves, 3 pilots. 1, 2, 3, not 1, not 2, but 3 pilots. Part of the cockpit, the instrument panels. It's looking rather dapper. So the pilots are not even that bad. They look very decent with loads of detail. Could they be better? Probably, more than likely. There's a bit of flash here, but I don't think it's that bad. So I quite like this. So it's a plus for Airfix. Decals wise, they are fairly good from what I can see. There's no, they are not thick, they are nice and smooth. You barely can feel them when you pass your finger. There's always something here that you can feel, but not that much, so it's alright. It's very good detail, very sharp colors, and I like it. They look the good quality Airfix decals. And in here we have the color schemes and the color callouts for the thing. So we can produce two versions: a Fairey Gannet AS.4 from the 849 Naval Air Squadron HQ training flight, or you can do the AS.4 815 Naval Air Squadron HMS Ark Royal. So I'm not sure which one I'm gonna do. I like the nose cone strips here, but I quite like the red one there, so I'm not sure. Help me decide. Tell me on the comments what you wanna see built. So, and I go from there. We have another version here, version C, Fairey Gannet AS.1 847 Naval Air Squadron from RAF Nicosia from Cyprus. Again, same thing, red nose. I know I'm a bit undecided, so let me know, A, B or C, what do you want to see built. Instructions wise, let's go. So he's asking for a 12-gram weight on the front, so more than likely will be more than 12 grams, so I'm not sure how much it will be, but we'll go with that. Very good new style instructions from Airfix, with all the callouts for paints here. I'll zoom a little bit for you guys. So we have the callout for paints here, so everything that comes with a little brush and the callout, as you can see here. So you have a little brush, the color number, and where you should paint it. So it's good from Airfix. I like what they've done with these new instructions. Very sharp, very precise, and very good. So in here we have all the assembly. So the weight can't go further than this. So there's another further 55 grams on the front nose. So they call for 12 grams on the cockpit here, and then they call for a further 55 grams. So this is going to be a fairly heavy nose, so that is not become a tail seater. It's going to be a nice challenge. So in here you have the full wing assemble, and I think that on the next one you will have the Z version, the folded wings version, which that's what I'm gonna assemble because it just looks cool. Just looks absolutely and utterly cool. It doesn't show you the fully assemble, but it will look absolutely incredible. Yeah, then is whatnot, the assembly of the wheels, landing gears, the propellers, and like I said, you have these two in different positions so that it fits nicely and tidy. You have the bombs that go under the bomb bay. Yeah, there you go. Looks absolutely amazing. You have the bomb bay doors. So now, should I leave it open? Should I close it with the folded wings? So I'm still debating on that and see how it goes. But yeah, there you go. You have the assembly of the Z-wing, and looks absolutely amazing. You have the support here for the whole thing, and this just looks absolutely insane. So in a nutshell, a rather beautiful airplane, even though it's absolutely ugly. you know, what they say, it's so ugly that becomes beautiful, and I think that's what it is with this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Hope you guys enjoyed the this beautiful airplane, and if you guys like it, please like and subscribe and leave your comments so that we can please the algorithm gods. So thank you ever so much for watching, and see you guys around. Have a good one.